Hey everyone, I'm gonna do a little cleaning of the driveway here. Look at that, the old sun is out today. This morning we got some snow, fell overnight, so I thought I'd show you guys here. We're beginning of March. I think we're around the 4th of March, and there's still all this snow. I mean, there's still a lot of snow. It's pretty hard to believe that we still have all this snow going on here. So what I'll do, I'll take the snowblower out, we'll clean it up here. So we got a little bit of snow, about 2-3 inches that fell, so I'll just clean that up so it looks good. So I'll clean up the driveway. We'll do the path over here so it looks good. All right, let's get the snowblower out, I'll show you guys. All right, sun's coming out. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Quite a bit of sun here. I'm squinting quite a bit. All right, let's get these on here. All right, beautiful sun today, Saturday, March 5th. I just want to show you guys the amount of snow. So I want to clean this up so you can see with the sun, it's already starting to come through here. So the sun will melt this. If you don't clean it up, it's just going to become ice underneath. The place looks good. The boys took care of it while we were gone. I can't believe we still have this much snow in March. It's still cold. I think today is a high of -4, -3. I'll write what that is in Fahrenheit here at the bottom of the screen. Look how nice that snow looks good there. this is my little path to get out back here. I have to make a little roadway because I have no other way. I have two driveways here. We have the front driveway, then I have my driveway out back that I made. Oh, I got my dogs here with me. Look at the dogs. I got my dogs. Let me measure how much snow we got here. We got 7 inches of snow right there. There's Charlie. Still a little chilly. Hard to believe a couple of weeks we're going to be starting up. So the snow better start to melt. I know tomorrow they're expecting a high of 10 Celsius. So 10 Celsius would be around 50 Fahrenheit. All right, this driveway looks good here. Not any sun on it yet. The sun is up behind the trees there. So once the sun gets over here, then I'll start to melt my driveway. All right, you guys. So don't forget, like and subscribe and share and comment. If you have anything you want to comment about, you guys have a lot of snow where you guys are, let us know. All right, see you guys next video. Take care.